Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time we will to learn how to design simple part. We want to convert from sketch to SolidWorks. Okay, just start it, open SolidWorks. We start from top plane, so right click on top plane and click sketch. In here we use a millimeter unit. And first we want to sketch like this. Draw a polygon. For parameter is in here. Our number offset is 6. Draw like this. Then set the dimension for width. In here have width 100. Just set dimension. We want to make again circle. Central line like this. Draw like this and make central line again like this. Just to make circle in here, draw anti-circle, right click and click construction geometry. We want to see in here have a radius 38, so the diameter is 76 like this. Then you want to make circle in here. Draw from this point like this, then set the dimension of circle in here. Have 1 2 3 4 5 6 hole, have radius is 6, so the diameter is 12 millimeter. Then we can to circle pattern. In this pattern we can click this circle and number of instance in here we can to change in 6, because in here have a 6 hole like this. Just click OK. Then we can check in here, make central line. Control C, make central line again. We can check in here to this point. Can check in here the angle is 30 degree like this. Okay, after that we can to go with the feature and extrude boss. In here first, in here in the first part have a thickness 20 millimeter, so direction is plane. You just input in 20 millimeter like this. Just click OK, and from this sketch or this face, right click and click sketch again and make circle like this. In here have radius 20, so the circle have diameter 40 millimeter. Then make circle again, one circle in here, draw it appropriate in here, have radius like this 38, so the diameter in here is 76. But the circle in second circle, right click and click make construction geometry like this. Then you can see again in here, make center line again, draw, ensure the center line is make vertical, draw again the center line, this center line to this center line, and this center line we can to set the angle in here is 30 degree like this. Then we can to click strike slot to make sketch like this. So we want to start from this point. We can see in here have a plus this point, draw like this until in here. Then we can set have radius 12 millimeter. Can set in here radius is 12 millimeter. After that we can to trim entities for this line. Just click OK, this line and this line. After that we can to click sketch and click circular sketch pattern and edit this pattern. Click this arc, this line, and this line. But in here for number of instance we can change in 1 2 3 in 3, set in 3 like this. Just click OK. Then we can to convert entities for this edge, and this edge. Just click OK. After that we can to export to solid path. Have thickness in here, the total this face to bottom is 50, but we start from here, so 50 minus 20 is 30. Go to feature and extrude brush, click this, and this for select contour, but in here the thickness or depth is 30 millimeter like this. Just click OK. 30 millimeter because 50 minus 20. Then we can see again in here have a cut or like this. So this sketch or this face, right click and click sketch. We want to draw make again in here strike slot. Start from this center of circle in here. Draw like this. Ensure this strike slot to make horizontal. This point and this circle ensure to make concentric. Then set the radius in here. Radius is 12 millimeter. Automatically the weight is 24 like this. Appropriate this drawing. Then we can show the feature extrude cut to make cutting. The depth of cut is 10 millimeter. Direction is blend. In here we can change in 10 millimeter. Just click OK. But in here we want to make cut 1 2 3 appropriate the sketch. So select the go to feature and select the circular portion. For feature and face, we select the cut extrude one like this. Cut extrude one, and for direction, we can click this edge. Click this edge or this edge. We can click this edge circle like this. Just click OK, and done. That's so simple like this. Then we want to make again a cut in here, have angle 25 degree. So click front plane like this and click sketch. We can draw line like this. Draw line and like this. Sorry, we can draw. We can trim edit this line. We can draw line to connect this point and this point like this. After that, we can set for the angle in here. Click sketch, click small dimension. Have angle in here is 25 degree like this. Then from the center to this point, have distance 25 millimeter. So just input 25 millimeter. Then after that we can to cut with feature and extrude cut. For direction we can change in through or both like this. Just click OK. After that we want to make 1 2 again like this, cutting like this. So just click feature and click circular button again, and feature and face we select the cut extrude to like this. Cut extrude to, and for direction we can click this edge or this circle. Click this edge and click OK, and done. It's so simple to make part like this. Then we can to set or change the color. Select all feature. We can select color maybe is brown like this, and we can change again the color for hole maybe is black, like this for hole, and this, and select again for the face the white, maybe for the cutting in bottom in here. Sorry. Select white, maybe this, and this face, this face, this face, this face, this face, and the last is in. Just click OK. Okay, it's a simple part. Like this, you want just to convert from two-dimension drawing to solid part like this. I hope the tutorial help you to learning or exercise SolidWorks, especially for a beginner. I apologize if there are any mistake or error this material. Don't forget to like, comment in channel. Thank you very much for watching until end video. Thank you very much and see you in the next tutorial.